Facebook Marketplace uses a comprehensive review system that helps buyers and sellers build trust through transparent feedback. Let's explore how this system works in 2025. The system uses a 5-star rating scale where buyers can rate their experience from 1 to 5 stars, including half-star increments for more precise feedback. Beyond star ratings, buyers can add written reviews up to 500 characters and include photos of the items they received, creating a comprehensive feedback system. Reviews cover 4 main categories: product quality, including accuracy and condition, communication responsiveness, the transaction process, including meeting arrangements and payment, and overall satisfaction with the experience. Only verified purchasers can leave reviews, ensuring authenticity and preventing fake feedback. Buyers have 14 days from the transaction completion to submit their review. Recent improvements in 2025 include enhanced spam detection using artificial intelligence, a streamlined review process reduced from 5 steps to 3, and an improved mobile interface for better user experience. This review system creates transparency for both buyers and sellers, with seller dashboards displaying their ratings and review counts, helping build trust in the marketplace community. There are 3 primary methods to leave feedback on Facebook Marketplace. Each method provides a convenient way to share your experience with other buyers. The first method is through your conversation with the seller. After completing a purchase, Facebook will show a Rate Your Experience prompt in your message thread. The second method is through your purchase history. Navigate to your account, then your activity, select the Buying tab, find your completed transaction, and click Leave Review. The third method is responding to Facebook's automatic review request notifications. These appear after you complete a purchase and provide a quick way to leave feedback. When writing reviews, follow these best practices. Be specific about your experience, be fair considering the price and expectations, include photos of the item you received, and provide constructive feedback that helps future buyers. These 3 methods ensure you can always leave feedback to help build trust in the Facebook Marketplace community. Choose the method that works best for you, and remember to be helpful and honest in your reviews.